Good morning, everyone. So, with regard to Viksit Bharat, I would like to speak about Swadeshi movement. So, in introduction, the word Swadeshi means one of one's country. It encourages the use of Indian-made goods and promote economic independence, which was originated during India's freedom struggle. So, it was launched during the partition of Bengal in 1905 by Lord Curzon. Response by Indian leaders to oppose British economic dominance. So the major figures are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, uh, Lala Rajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. So the main objectives are promote Indian industries and handicrafts, boycott Indian goods, boycott British goods and institutions, and strengthen India's self-reliant economy, and awaken national pride and unity. So the method of this movement are to boycott foreign goods, schools and services, promotion using Indian-made products. So the public awareness are meetings, songs and rallies. So and Charkha and Khadi are the symbols of self-sufficiency. So the key leaders are Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So he popularized Swaraj is my birthright, and Mahatma Gandhi. He reintroduced Swadeshi through Khadi and non-cooperation. And Rabindranath Tagore promoted unity through national songs and education. So the impact of this movement are so this boosted Indian industries and local crafts, strengthened nationalism, encouraged economic independence, and laid foundation for later freedom movements. So the Swadeshi in modern times. So the revival through campaigns like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, support of local products and entrepreneurs, promotion of vocal for local. So relevance today. So it reduces dependency on foreign goods, supports Indian economy and employment, encourages sustainability and innovation, builds national pride and unity. So in conclusion, the Swadeshi movement remains a symbol of self-reliance and national pride. True spirit of Swadeshi is think Indian, buy Indian and be Indian. So the quote is be Indian, buy Indian and be proud of Indian products.